Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a math teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we have started the 11th chapter construction. Firstly, we have done the division of the line segment and today we will start the new topic, that is the construction of the tangent to a circle. This topic we will do with the help of a one question, that is the 11.2 exercise. First question I have written. So first question here is, draw a circle of the radius 6 centimeter, and then they are saying from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of the tangent to the given circle, and then we have to measure their lengths also. So first, on the first number we have to draw a circle with the radius 6 centimeters. So let us start it here. We will take a ruler and a compass, and then we will open the compass up to the 6 centimeter. Okay, and then we will draw a circle of the radius 6 centimeter. So let this point, center point, that point is O. Okay, and then they are saying from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. So this implies here we have to take out the another one point which is 10 centimeter away from the center. So here this one is a 10 centimeter. So let that point is an exterior point. That point is naming as P. And then from the P point we will draw the two tangents to the circle, given circle, as a here will be the Q and PQ and PR. Okay, so firstly, to construct the tangent on the first number we will join the PO here. So with the help of the ruler, firstly we will join PO, and then after it, second step, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the PO here. Okay, so which is the middle point or the center point here of the PO. So let us draw it here. With the help of the compass, we will open the compass more than half of the PO. Then here we will construct the perpendicular bisector of this one. On the other side also, from the O point here, and it is not meeting, so again we will draw. So these, let that midpoint of PO here intersect at the point as M. With the center here as a M, we will draw another one circle as a taking the MO or MP. These are the radius of the circle. Okay, and then we will draw another one circle which intersect the previous one circle at the distinct 2 points. So we will name those 2 points also, and through those 2 points we will construct the tangents. So let this point, first one, this point is as a Q and another one point is a R. Okay, and then through these 2 points we will draw the two tangents through the point P. So with the help of the ruler, as a PQ is a tangent, PQ is a tangent, and another one here is a PR is also the tangent of from the exterior point. Okay, so this is the method how to draw the tangent of a circle. Okay, understand everyone? So let us see now here how can we write the construction steps. So on the first number we have drawn a circle as a with the center O whose radius is 6 centimeter as it is given. Then we are taking the P point as OP is equal to, it is given 10 centimeter. So this implies this one as, this one is a 10 centimeter. Further one, they are saying from this one point we have to construct the tangents PQ and PR which we have drawn. Then in the next step we will write, draw the perpendicular bisector, construct the perpendicular bisector with the help of the ruler and compass here which intersect the PO at the M point. With the center M we are drawing the another one circle. Okay, so which one divide the PM and MO is equal to half of the 10, that is the 5 centimeter. Okay, so it intersect the previous one circle at the point Q and at the point R. So join the PQ and PR. So these are the required tangents. So here they are saying measure the length also. So we can see here as a PQ, it is the measurement. Here will be as a 8 centimeter. On the other side also we can see as PR also as a equal length, as we have studied into the 10th chapter. If the exterior point will be there, then both tangents will be equal into the length. Okay, so here we have written, we will write PQ is equal to PR is equal to, here it is 8 centimeter. Okay, now we will do the justification. So let us start here the justification of the question. To do the justification, firstly we will recall the one theorem into the 9th standard we have studied into the in a semicircle. If any angle will be there, this implies that angle will be always the 90 degree, right? So here we can assume, here if we will see, as if we will join the OQ, if we will join the OQ, which is the radius of the given circle, so OQ, then we can say angle PQO is the semicircle angle. So this implies, here we can write as angle PQO is equal to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? As we know that an angle in semicircle is 90 degree. So this implies this is the 90 degree. So here as OQ, as here OQ is a radius of the circle, given circle. So this implies OQ is perpendicular to the PQ, which is given, as we have shown this one angle is a 90 degree, right? So OQ will be perpendicular to PQ. So this implies here we can say PQ is a tangent. Why we can say the PQ is a tangent? As into the 10th chapter 10.1 exercise we studied, 10.1 theorem we studied, if PQ as a tangent, any tangent or any tangent is perpendicular to the radius of a circle through the point of contact. So here we can see the point of contact is Q, okay, and where the OQ is a radius which is perpendicular to the PQ. So this implies PQ will be the tangent, and similarly we can say PR will be also a tangent. So this is the justification. I hope you understand this one justification and the construction also. If you have any query, then you can ask me into the Zoom session. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.